Did you know? There are lots of ways are available to earn money from YouTube, whether you have monetized channel or a smaller YouTuber. So in this video I'm gonna show you the ways to earn money from YouTube, and also I'll show one bonus tip at the end. Let's get started. First one is fan funding. YouTube launched a new feature called Super Thanks. Super Thanks enables fans to support their favorite channels while giving creators access to a new source of revenue. Just like Super Chat and Super Stickers, Super Thanks does double duty for creators, keeping their connections with fans meaningful while also giving them a new way to make money after buying Super Thanks. These fans will then see an animated GIF and, as an added bonus, get a distinct, colorful comment to highlight their purchase, which creators can respond to. Just enable the Super Thanks from Monetization tab in YouTube Studio. But currently Super Thanks available on 68 countries only, and Super Thanks is not available for the following types of videos. But if you don't have a monetized channel, then there are also lots of websites available to get fund from your subscribers. PayPal.me. It helps to get money from your subscribers. But they need a PayPal account to send. Buy me a coffee. It also like same. And also Patreon. It allows creators can set up multiple membership tiers with various rewards, so each subscriber can choose the amount of money they feel most comfortable giving to a project. So just create an account and add in near each video's description. But you have to give unique and valuable video to your subscriber. So just check out my channel videos and support me if you like it. Second one is create your own Amazon affiliate marketing account. Pick some unique Amazon products and make an affiliate link. Now advertise those products on YouTube, given those product links on video's description. Now you can earn money from that. Or you can also sell your own products on YouTube. Third one is license your content. If you happen to create a viral video with mass appeal like a funny clip, or a video editing, or whatever it is, you can license your content in exchange for money. Use Jukan Media website to sell your video clips. Anyone wants rights to use your videos if they happen to go viral. So just put the buying link in your video's description. You can earn money from that. Fourth one is work with brands as an influencer. Brands are investing more and more in influencer marketing. Becoming an influencer on YouTube is reported as the highest paid platform for brand partnerships. But you need a enough subscriber to connect with brand as an influencer. But the Grapevine Village. It is the website that helps creators safely and easily connect with brands to monetize their content. One of the more popular influencer marketplaces, you only need 1,000 followers to join. After promoting their brands on your video, you learn money based on your video's views and engagement. Fifth one is Quora. You can also make money from Quora using your YouTube video. Copy your video link. Make a post on your Quora space. And turn on monetize to your post. Then you learn money based on your post visits. The bonus tippies, if you are a beginner YouTuber, just check out my playlist videos in the I button. I have shown the trick about how to monetize your YouTube channel within a few days, and also some tricks about how to grow on YouTube. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel, and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.
Don't need you to